one of the year profit you take, the same year sales you are supposed to take. 2019, 2020. So whichever is the fresh, in the sense that will be your current year. To find out fixed cost, profit and sales, if it is not given, we can actually go with this formula. So please don't forget this formula. PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. Hello everybody, a warm welcome to one and all. I am Abhilash Chandra from the Department of Commerce and Management in Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. Welcome to all the students for this session number 4. Before that, please do subscribe if you have not subscribed the channel and like the videos, because this is what will motivate us to do more videos. Let's go with the 4th session with a different problem, and the problem number 4 is like this. From the following, calculate BEP sales, margin of safety for 2 years, PV ratio, profit when sales are 2 lakh. Then we have sales required to earn a profit of Rs 40,000. And the last one is contribution for both the period. When they say both the period, that means there are 2 years which is been given in the question. Now what exactly these 2 years sales and 2 years profit is? Now you may feel that, so problem 1, 2 and 3, we have never seen these kind of a problem. Where is our variable cost? Where is our fixed cost? We don't have anything. What exactly we are supposed to do? Understand. This is one of the other pattern of marginal costing. So there are 2 patterns of marginal costing. One where they're gonna give you the sales, variable cost, fixed cost, profit, all those things, or they'll give you 2 years. See, earlier we had only 1 year, now we have 2 years. Now there is only one formula which will change. The formula is called as the PV ratio. What is it? P/V is equal to. Now only this will actually change. So what will be the PV formula whenever the 2 year sales and 2 year profit is given? When we have 2 year sales and 2 year profit, understand 2019, 2020. So whichever is the fresh, in the sense that will be your current year. So that means this is your current year, and which is the past, that is your previous year. So this is our previous year and this one is our current year. So PV is always like this. Understand how to remember this formula. PV is equal to, you put a numerator denominator combination. Now understand, it's a new formula, that means there is a change in the formula. So here first thing only you should go with change. What is it? Change. Change in. Now understand how to remember. Let's go with this. Sales, profit. Now here it is S, here it is P. Now understand the combination, how to remember this, how to understand this. When we go with remembering the formula, the alphabet A to Z, if you go with it, which will come first, whether it is P or it is S? It is always P is first and then S. That's how you can remember the formula. Change in profit. Change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. Why 100? Because PV is always denoted with percentage. So it is always with percentage. Now how to understand the formula? What exactly the understanding is? Now they have given 2 year sales and 2 year profit. That means we need to know what is the change of 2020 to 2019. What is the differences? Now here profit I made in 2020 is 26,000, but earlier I made profit of 18,000. So what is that PV ratio? What is the change here? So that is how you are supposed to go with. So PV is equal to what? Change in profit minus change in sale. Whenever we go with change, what we do is we need to subtract. What is that we should do? We need to subtract. Subtract what from what? Current year minus previous year. Current year minus previous year. So what happens here? Change in profit. What is the profit here? This is 2020 minus 18,000. So we'll write is equal to, we have 26 20,000 minus 18,000 divided by, we have here 2,80,000 minus we have 2,40,000 into 100. Never forget this, into 100. Take your calci now. Now you have 26,000 minus 18,000, that is 8,000. So we have what? 8,000 divided by, now here if you go, we have 40,000. How much? 40,000 into 100. Into 100. Now here 8,000 and 40,000 if you go with it, that is 8,000. You can go with actually zeros will come. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here 1, here 1. So we have 4 1s are 4 2s are. 2 into 10 is how much? 20%. So PV is equal to 20%. So I got my PV. PV is how much? 20%. Is it easy? I'll go with, once again, I'll just teach you here. What is that we have done? Now, these are the things which you are supposed to know. We are supposed to subtract 2020 with the previous year. That is current year minus previous year. So here what is the PV formula? PV is equal to, delta is called as change. Change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. So this should be in the numerator, this should be in denominator. How to remember? I told you the alphabets S and P. Which will come first? P. So put it in the numerator. S, put it in the denominator. So what is that we have done? 26,000 minus 18,000. 2,80,000 minus 2,40,000 into 100. So what is that we have got? PV is equal to how much? 20%. So my PV is done. Now what is that you should do is, you should put this C is equal to what? How much? 20%. So the next we are supposed to find what? BEP sales. So to find BEP sales, what is the formula of BEP? Now BEP is equal to, now here denominator is PV. Now the middle alphabet is E. After E what will come? F. F in the sense fixed cost. Now here we don't have in the question, we don't have fixed cost at all. So how can we find fixed cost? For that, I'll just divide this here. We have something called the Abhilash Chandra tricks. What is it? Abhilash Chandra tricks. What exactly this ACT is all about? That is, we know a formula which can actually find fixed cost. If fixed cost is not given, we can find profit if it is not given, or we can even find sales if it is not given. So what is that formula? The formula is PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. What is it? PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. Now in this question, how much is our PV? Our PV is what? 20% is equal to, now F we don't know, plus. Now understand, one of the year profit you take, the same year sales you are supposed to take. What is the logic here? One of the year profit you take, the same year you are supposed to take the sales. Say example, if I have taken this profit, so I need to take this sales only. You can actually again calculate, if you take this profit, you should take this sales only, then do it, you will get the same, because fixed cost will never change. Now I have taken the first one, that is 18,000. 18,000 divided by, what is the sales which I should take is 2,40,000. So sales is how much? 2,40,000. Now I'll go with cross multiplication. Go with the step, because you will get more of step marks. 2,40,000 into 20% is equal to, the remaining I'll write F plus 18,000. Now here what happens is 2,40,000 is there into 2. Now 2 in the sense 4, it is 48,000 is what it is. 24 done into 20%. Yeah, 48,000. So we'll get 48,000. Now this will come here minus 18,000 is equal to fixed cost. So 48 minus 18 is your 30,000. So that means rupees 30,000 is equal to fixed cost. So how much is my fixed cost? 30,000. This will never change. Even if you do it for this 26 and 28, if you go with it, you will get how much? 30,000. I'll just show it to you how exactly you are supposed to do. Now we will delete everything. Done. Now when we go with this, we'll take these two now. Okay. Now the formula is what? The same. We'll again divide here. PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. Now PV is how much? 20% is equal to F, I don't know, plus profit. I'm taking 26,000 and sales I'll take 2,80,000. Now again cross multiply 2,80,000 into 20% is equal to, I'll write the remaining now, that is F plus 26,000. Now what will I do? 28 twos are, so it is 28 into 2. So we have 56. I'll write here 56,000 is equal to F plus 26,000. Go with the steps, no issues. Now this 56,000 will be here minus 26,000 is equal to fixed cost. Now what happens is 56,000 minus 26,000 is 30,000. That is, we have 30,000 rupees is equal to fixed cost. So however you take. So what is the logic here? Which year profit you will take, the same year sales you are supposed to take. That is what the condition. Now let's calculate BEP. BEP is equal to, what is it? PV will come in the denominator. E is there, fixed cost. Now fixed cost is how much? 30,000 rupees divided by PV is how much? 20% is equal to 30,000. Take your calci and then calculate 30,000 divided by 20%, 1,50,000 rupees. So it is how much? Your BEP is 1,50,000 rupees. I'm done with, and denote this as A. What is the sub question? A. Don't write something else like we have solved PV in the first place, but what exactly the question is? See here, the question is BEP sale is what? Sub question, that is 2. PV is in the sub question C, that's why here C have written PV. Next we actually went with A. Now what is the question? Margin of safety for 2 years. Margin of safety for 2 years. I'll show you here margin of safety how to calculate, and that is the B. Margin of safety is equal to. Now same way like BEP, margin of safety also, the denominator is what? PV. Now what is the middle alphabet? O. After O in the English alphabet, what will come? O. After that is P. P means profit. P means profit. Done. Easy. Now understand. Profit by PV. What was the question? For both the period, for 2 years. 2 years means what? 2019, 2020. What is the profit in 2019? 18,000. So you will write like this. MOS for 2019. 2019. Again write the same formula. That is MOS is equal to, see, whenever it is required, I want you people to write the formula because formula has marks. MOS is equal to profit by PV is equal to, profit is how much? 18,000 divided by 20%. You do this now. 18,000 divided by 20%, you got 90,000. So MOS is how much? 90,000 rupees. So MOS of 2019 is 90,000 rupees. The same way, MOS for 2020. Write the formula. MOS is equal to PV is in the denominator, O is there. That means the middle alphabet is O. The next alphabet will be P. So P means profit. And 2020 profit is how much? 26,000 is equal to 26,000 divided by PV is how much? 20% is equal to. Let's calculate this. 26,000 divided by 20%. 1,30,000 rupees. 1,30,000 rupees. So this is my MOS for 2020, which I have written here. So MOS for 2020. So the minute I am done with it, I get marks. Without writing the symbol rupees or without writing RS, I'll tell you this will be considered as a not a valid answer. So write rupees or rupees symbol. Now the D question. Now we are done with A, B and C. Now we have the question that is the D. Profit when sales are 2,20,000. Now how to go with this, right? Now they are asking me profit when sales are 2,20,000 rupees. So what would be the profit? Now understand this question. This is what the question which was given, and let me tell you, this question is a 2018 question paper question which we are solving now. So if sales was 2,40,000, profit would have been 18,000. If sales was 2,80,000, the profit would have been 26. Now they are asking something which is what? In the middle. That is 2,20,000 if the sales is, what is your profit? For that, what is that you should do is, you need to go with the ACT, that is Abhilash Chandra tricks. What is that? The same kind of a formula. We have PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. Now PV is how much? 20% is equal to. Now what is F? Fixed cost. We have calculated fixed cost, isn't it? Let's check our fixed cost now. Here, fixed cost is how much? 30,000. How much is the fixed cost? 30,000. So we'll need to take the fixed cost here. How much? 30,000 plus. Now what is that they are asking? We need to find profit. So it is P here. Divided by, in the question, what is the sales they have given? The sales is how much? 2,20,000. So we'll write here 2,20,000. Now again, cross multiply. Now what happens is 2,20,000 into 20% is equal to, the remaining we will write here 30,000 plus profit. Now 2,20,000 and 2 if you go with, you will get 4, 2 2s are 4, 4, that is 44,000. And this 30 will come here, minus 30,000 is equal to P. Is equal to P. 44 minus 30, that is 14,000. 14,000. How much you will get? 14,000. 14,000 is equal to, now go with it, profit. 14,000 is what? Profit. Now understand, 2,20,000 will be here, no? 2,20,000 is here. So 2,20,000, if I make sales, I'll get a profit of how much? Rupees. Please don't forget to write rupees. 14,000 will be my profit. So this is what we are supposed to go with. Let's go with the next one here. Next one we have is E. After A, B, C, D, we are supposed to go with E. Again, they say sales required to earn a profit of rupees 40,000. Now it is like ulta. What it is? Sales required to earn a profit of 40,000. How much? 40,000. See, for 2,40,000 it was 18. 2,80,000 it is 26. What would be, right? If the profit is 40,000, what would be your sales? What would be your sales? Now again, same way, which is the formula which we are supposed to go? ACT, Abhilash Chandra tricks. Let's go with the formula that is here. PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. Now PV is how much? 20%. Fixed cost, we know that it is 30,000 plus. Now profit, what is that they are asking? Profit is how much? 40,000. Profit, sales required to earn a profit of 40,000. So we'll take here how much? 40,000. 40,000. And sales we don't know. Now I'll put the sales here. Sales will go to the left hand side. Sales is equal to 30 plus 40 is how much? 70,000 divided by 20 will come here, 20%. So sales is equal to how much it is? 70,000 divided by 20%. 70,000 divided by 20%. It is 3,50,000 rupees. 3,50,000 rupees. This is what my sales is. Hope you people are able to understand. So totally, because of Abhilash Chandra tricks and all, we could solve E, D, and even we could find out the fixed cost. So to find out fixed cost, profit, and sales, if it is not given, we can actually go with this formula. So please don't forget this formula. PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. So this formula is very, very important. Let's go with the next question. What is that question they have asked? They have asked F is contribution for both the period. What is it? Contribution for both the period. Now what is a contribution formula? Understand the contribution formula. There are two contribution formulas. Contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. Sales minus variable cost. So this is one. Next one we have is contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit. Fixed cost plus profit. Now understand, we have the questions where they have given 2019, 2020 sales, they have given profit, they have given. So that means what? They have not given us variable cost. So if variable cost is unknown and here contribution is also unknown, so we can't find. So we can't find through this formula. So this formula is wrong. But here contribution is unknown. Fixed cost we know because we have calculated fixed cost here. Profit they have only given. Profit is what? They have only given. That means what? This we will not do it. This formula will not take. We'll take this formula if variable cost would have been given. Now we'll take this formula. So what it is? Contribution is equal to F plus P. This is what the formula which we will use it. Now here let's go with the question, contribution for both the period. That means what? Contribution for 2019 and 2020. So what is that? Contribution C is equal to, what is 2019 fixed cost? It is the same, that is 30,000. So F plus P, write the formula, is equal to 30,000 plus, what is the profit of 2019? It is 18,000. So I'll write here 18,000. 30 plus 18 is how much? 48,000 rupees. So this is my contribution for 2019. Next, 2020, same. C is equal to F plus P. See, write the formula because you know the formula. Write the formula again and again wherever it is required. So C is equal to, F will not change. So it is 30,000 plus, what is the profit in 2020? That is 26,000. So we'll write here 26,000. So 30 plus 26,000 is how much? It is 56,000. So contribution is equal to how much? Rupees 56,000. So this is what we have found. We have found contribution also. So totally, these are the questions which are gonna come in your main examination. So again, you can actually watch the video. Before that, let me tell you here, students, the minute you felt that it is worth watching the video, please do like and comment, and all your suggestions, your comments are welcome. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt regarding the session, please do call us. We are always there to help you. I'll see you when I see you.